In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your USA debit card to Google Wallet. If you want to use your phone to make quick, secure purchases in stores, online, or in apps, adding your debit card to Google Wallet is a simple setup that only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. To begin, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. On some devices, you may see it labeled as Google Pay, depending on your version of Android or your region, but the setup process is very similar. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap Add to Wallet. This is where you can add new payment methods and other eligible items. After that, select Payment Card. This tells Google Wallet that you want to add a card you can use for purchases. On the next screen, choose the option for a new credit or debit card. If your USAA debit card has never been added to this device before, this is the correct choice. You'll then be asked to enter your card details. You can do this manually by typing in the card number, expiration date, and any other required information exactly as shown on the card. If your phone gives you the option to scan the card, you can also use your camera to speed up the process. Even if scanning is available, it's still a good idea to double check the details before continuing, since small errors can prevent the card from being verified properly. Once the card information has been entered, continue to the next screen and review the bank's terms. To move forward, you'll need to agree to those terms. This step is important because it confirms that your card issuer allows the card to be used through Google Wallet under their security and usage guidelines. Finally, complete the USAA verification prompt. In most cases, this happens through a text message or through the USAA mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and approve the verification request when prompted. This security step helps confirm that you're the actual cardholder and protects your account from unauthorized use. After verification is complete, your USAA debit card should be added to Google Wallet and ready to use. If something doesn't go through on the first try, check that your card details were entered correctly and make sure your phone has a stable internet connection while completing the verification.